Everyone, let's see how Papio selector works. We click on the Papio selector on the top and you inspect an element. When it comes, you'll be able to see list of selectors which is identified, and if you want to uh, pick specific framework selector, you can click on each one of them and click on generate test case. It will list on AI generated test cases. You should be able to download them and use them for your test execution. You can also wait for it and then click on selector, analyze the quality of the selector we have got, and as it is connected to the MCP server, it can optimize the selector. When you click on optimize the selector, it can validate the attribute name. It can include by a different selector, child, parent, class, hierarchy, and also by the placeholder and a different type as well. So very important part is the POM framework. You should be able to generate the POM files, generate helpers, and it will show always the folder structure. And once you have the folder structure, you should be able to download the framework and open in any of your IDEs available. And if you see, you have the list of all the files and how it needs to be executed. Once you download, you need to do npm install, and there is a clear readme which is available for you to run the test. All you need to do is do npm install. Once you do npm install, it will download all the required dependencies as per your package.json file. And then if you see now, the installation is happening. So once that is done, we try to execute. We go back to the readme file, and you can see we'll be able to run by npm. Let me go to readme file, and we can say npm run test with the browser being seen. And then once you execute it, you might get an error for the Chrome version. What we need to do is, we have a workaround for that, and that is also listed in the readme file. All you need to do is reinstall or match your Chrome version to the one which you have got on your system. So if you see, the browser is open, but it's getting closed without doing any action. So let's do that. Let's go back to our readme file and scroll on to the top. You see we have, if there is an issue with Chrome, you can do a Chrome driver latest save. So you just go and update that. Once you install and run the test, now you should be able to successfully run the test case. So the test case which got generated, the 4 test cases which got generated, we should be able to validate that without doing any changes, and your framework is completely ready for you to use for any other new test cases which you're going to create. Thanks everyone.